Hey y'all, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, I would love it if you would click that little button and stick around. I have a bunch of fun projects on the way. Today I want to show you how I made this super cute Bumblebee wind chime from things I found at the Dollar Tree. For this project, I used one of the green plastic planters from this 3-pack and one of the bamboo wind chimes, both from Dollar Tree. To attach the wind chime to the inside of the planter, I used this pick tool to make 2 holes in the center of the bottom of the planter. Then I used a zip tie to secure the wind chime inside the planter. To give the beehive a handle, I'm going to use this decorative nautical rope from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut off a small piece and make a loop and then hot glue it to the top. Now that the handle's secure, I took the rest of the nautical rope and began to wrap it around the planter. I started in the center of the handle and just wrapped my way all the way down to the bottom using hot glue as needed. This project took 2 packages of the 9.5 feet nautical rope. This is the decorative nautical rope, and this was the first time that I'd seen it in my Dollar Tree, so I think this is a new product. It's not quite as thick as the nautical rope that they normally carry. For the entrance to the beehive, I'm going to use this candle snuffer and a black permanent marker. First, I'm going to find what side of the beehive I want to be in my front, and then I'm going to put the candle snuffer about midway in the middle. Then I'm going to take the black permanent marker and trace around the bell of the candle snuffer. Once I have the entrance traced out, I'm going to take this licorice folk art enamel paint and a paintbrush and just fill it in. I'm going to make sure that I cover up all the nautical rope so you see nothing but black. After letting the paint dry, I'm going to use the rest of the nautical rope that was left over from wrapping the hive in some hot glue and give my entrance a 3D effect by going around the outside of the circle. To give the hive a little bit more detail, I'm going to use my hot glue gun and put a little bit of honey out there on the ledge. I'm going to let the hot glue drip just a little bit so that it looks like there's honey overflowing out of the hive. Once the hot glue was completely dry, I took some King's Gold Apple Barrel acrylic paint and painted the honey that I just made. This took about 4 coats of paint, letting it dry good between coats. Since you really can't have a beehive without bees, I took 2 of these bees that I got from Safari Ltd. These are the Good Luck Minis, and I glued 2 of them onto the hive. I put one going inside the hive and one on the outside. Now that the bees are all glued on, the project's done. It was super quick and super easy. I absolutely love how this turned out. This is what it looks like hanging out on my front porch, and I love it. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, please give me a thumbs up and a comment below. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? Click that button and stick around. I have a bunch of fun projects on the way. I'll see you next time.